The Poo Files.
Pooh Files, open.
Ever felt the need to file some paperwork when you walk into the bookshop or library? You're not alone. The smell of books makes some people need to poop. It's called the Mariko Aoki phenomenon, and it started in Japan. That's not blimmin' normal.
Fart facts.
Farts. There's a lot of them around. Adult humans pass gas anywhere from 10 to 18 times a day. That means someone is farting near you right now. It wasn't me.
Poos.
Look at this fancy business. It's long and brown with a little white cap at the end. Lizard or panda? Place your bets.
Historical nuggets.
In 1870s Aotearoa, there was way too much poo around, so councils employed night men to collect buckets of night soil from outside people's houses. They had to work between 10 p.m. and 5 a.m. emptying pails of poo into their special poo carts. Talk about a stink job.
Whose poos?
Whose poo is a cheeky white flourish at the end? Lizard! Very artistic. Right, hope you've had your fun.
Pooh Files, closed.